I'm Roshna from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and today my topic is about digital storage oscilloscope. This video I have gave a basic details about digital storage oscilloscopes.
Digital storage oscilloscope is a fundamental tool used in electrical engineering and electronic design, offering a digital approach to represent a signal in waveform, facilitating deeper understanding of electrical phenomena.
So, what is digital storage oscilloscope?
DSO is an instrument used to store signals as electrical representation in memory, which can be retrieved whenever required. It is displayed as block waveform, making it easy to analyze and measure. Unlike analog, which use phosphor to display signals, you can see the difference between analog and digital waveform in the below diagram.
The next topic is about key features
of DSO. First, permanent signal storage. In analog oscilloscopes, it displays signals only as long as it is represented. But in DSO, it is stored in the internal memory, so it can be saved and recalled whenever required. Advanced waveform processing. The digitalized data in DSO can be manipulated using a built-in microprocessor. This enables various advanced measurements and analysis. And finally, enhanced visibility of transits. The storage capability is crucial for capturing transit events, brief and non-repeating signals that are often missed by analog scopes can be triggered and captured in single shot, making it possible to study intermittent glitches and anomalies.
The next topic is about the inner working of DSO.
The functionality of DSO focuses its ability to convert analog signals into digital format that can be stored, analyzed, and displayed. This conversion process is shepherded, that is, led by the analog to digital converter (ADC), which samples the incoming signal to a high rate. The vertical amplifier ensures that the signal is within the optimal range for conversion by ADC. The data is stored in oscilloscope's deep memory. It is represented in a block diagram so that you can understand how does it work. So that's all.
I wish that you can understand the concept of digital storage oscilloscopes. So that's all about my topic, and thank you for listening my presentation about digital storage oscilloscopes. Thank you.